Oh yeah!
Fuck. Hey, shut up! It's my dub!
No, it's not!
It's time for us to kick your ass, motherfucker.
I'm going to have been.
Want to bet, bitch?
Hey, wait a second. Luigi's with Wario?
Now these things are really messed up. Don't ask me why. Maybe I accidentally Donkey Kong one. Ow!
You're a badass driver, dude. I can walk that thing from a mile.
There's my special fireworks! Right. Ow! That thing landed on us! What the hell? What were you going to say? What were you going to say?
Hold on, I'll get it.
Epic Ding Ding! Ding Ding! What the hell?
I'm about to blow. You'll get high.
I'll blow you up first.
You'll get high.
Fucking shrooms.
You'll be high as a tiger.
Bridge anyway.
Who built it? I don't know. Isn't this mushroom?
Shroom bridge, man.
Get the out of the bitch. Don't diss on my course. I'll kill you.
I'm gonna diss on your course, most especially Church Turnpike. That was friggin' bullshit.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Hey, Mario just passed you.
Yee! Woohoo! I'm gonna win!
No, you're not. Yes.
I'll fucking eat you before you beat me, bitch.
Come on. Oh, damn, that's the princess. Get out of here. Fuck. Whoa, damn!
Let's race it! Let's race it!
Don't race the damn chain car!
Wait for it! Oh, we won! We beat it!
Ah, we must have gotten second. Damn!
Third, you suck at driving.
Hey, you wanna drive?
No.
Fine then.
I'll probably kick your ass at it.
No, you wouldn't.
Mario's still gonna get you.
Screw you, Mario.
Hey, it's my course. I'm gonna win.
No, I must win here. This will make my claim to fame.
It's Mario second. You'll never win that Mario. I always win.
All times are gonna change. Aaron, are you caught up with Baby Mario again?
Yes!
Son of a bitch.
That's what I say. Haven't he won the last few Grand Prix like that?
Underground plants in this game sound like Mario
It's
jumping.
freaking DK with a princess! How ironic is that?
A rich princess.
Daisy.
Wrong princess, DK! Peach is in my bunghole.
Where the hell is Peach anyway?
I don't know. I don't give a shit.
And technically neither of those princesses would work for Donkey Kong. I remember the storyline correctly. When I've heard, Donkey Kong kidnapped Mario's very first girlfriend, Polly.
Hey, that's right. You know, you're a history.
You're sucking.
Damn, dude, you still stoned? From our last beatdown on you?
Hey, I checked it if I were you.
What?
I said I checked it if I were you.
What are you gonna do?
I got fireballs and
What are you gonna do? Jump on me?
Yes, I have tempted you. Just like
I'm so scared. Do you remember what happens in Super Smash Bros. Melee? And Brawl when you attack somebody and they use Toad?
Don't remind me. Peach is the worst.
Telling me.
That's a bitch. I countered. I'm gonna fucking slice your throat. And watch all the shrooms come out, bitch. What? You want a piece of me, Bowser? You ain't messed with a gangster.
You want me to answer that question?
You ain't messed with a gangster like me.
You haven't messed with Giga Bowser yet.
Yes, I have.
Oh, you haven't?
Yes, I have.
Didn't win, I'll tell you that. No, that freaking Roy guy did. And Captain Falcon. Oh my god, I remember that KO with Captain Falcon. First he knees me, then he runs out the course and fucking punches me. That was fucking cheap. Hey, look.